MCCP and TBBPA RoHS 4 substances restriction in electronics. MCCP and TBBPA are candidates in addition to the 10 substances already regulated per European Union, EU, RoHS, also referred as RoHS 4. Öko-Institut's recommendation to add MCCP and TBBPA. This proposal follows a 2021 investigation by the Öko-Institut, or Öko-Institut, a private environmental research organization, on the safety of 7 chemicals. Among those studied, they only proposed that MCCPs and TBBPA become restricted. Namely, they suggest a limit of 0.1% per weight for each substance in a homogeneous material. For TBBPA, the restriction only applies to usage in additive flame retardants. Let's discover these 2 chemicals. What are MCCPs? MCCPs, or medium-chain chlorinated paraffins, are a group of hydrocarbons with varying chain lengths and levels of chlorination. The Öko-Institut report studied molecules with carbon chains between 14 and 17 carbons as described by CAS number 85535-859. Uses of MCCP. The primary use of MCCPs is as a secondary plasticizer in PVC. In other words, they make primary orthophthalates plasticizers more effective by increasing flexibility. The sheathing and insulation of cables rely on this property. MCCP is a popular substance because it is a safer alternative to short-chain chlorinated paraffin, SCCP. If your product is EU POP compliant, it should contain neither SCCPs nor MCCPs. Concerns regarding MCCP. The toxicity to aquatic environments and bioaccumulative properties of MCCPs are a threat. For example, during the shredding of cables, MCCPs released into the air could damage the worker's respiratory system. What is TBBPA? It stands for tetrabromobisphenol A with a molecular formula of C15H12 tetrabromine dioxide. Its CAS number is 79947. TBBPA is a brominated version of the REACH SVHC regulated molecule BPA, bisphenol A. Uses of TBBPA. TBBPA can be found in printed wiring boards, PWB, in flame-retardant epoxy resins. During polymerization, TBBPA forms strong bonds that make it unlikely to be released from the polymer during waste disposal. Notably, TBBPA is in ABS brominated flame retardants. In that case, it is an additive flame retardant. Concerns regarding TBBPA. If TBBPA escapes intact from its polymer during waste disposal, it poses health risks to the workers. Like MCCPs, TBBPA is toxic to aquatic environments. RoHS's 12 substances, including MCCP and TBBPA. The list initially included 6 substances. In 2015, RoHS 3 introduced 4 new phthalate. With the addition of MCCPs and TBBPA, RoHS covers the following 12 substances: lead, Pb, and lead compounds, cadmium, Cd, and cadmium compounds, mercury, Hg, and mercury compounds, hexavalent chromium, crossing 6+, and hexavalent chromium compounds, polybrominated biphenyls, PBBs, polybrominated diphenyl ethers, PBDEs, butyl benzyl phthalate, BBP, D-N-butyl phthalate, DBP, D-2-ethylhexyl phthalate, DEHP, diisobutyl phthalate, DIBP, medium-chain chlorinated paraffins, MCCPs. Tetrabromobisphenol A, TBBPA.